Welcome back. We are here at my parents' house with my mom, Kathy.
Again.
And we've decided that we're going to dig a little deeper. My dad wants us to help him go through his office closet. So we have a lot that we're going to work on. And I think right now we're just going to focus on this one side and start going through everything.
Okay, let's get going.
We're trying to come up with a system. I think we're going to do one shelf at a time. I'm going to pull the things down, hand it to you. He's going to make the decision. And then if it goes back right on the same shelf,
Yes,
right?
at the same time, yeah.
Okay, we have some puzzles.
And I only need one, but somebody will want to
Okay.
buy that one.
Okay,
Now,
so this one goes.
looks like stuff that's going to take longer to go through.
Well, maybe and maybe not.
That needs to be gone through.
Those are gone. That's
You don't want it?
Nope. Yeah, it's a scrapbook.
Oh, it's a scrapbook.
Full of all kinds of newspaper articles and scraps and whatever, and I don't need them anymore.
What we're establishing is it's not going back in his office.
He's not keeping it.
We will get rid of it and do something with it.
Yeah, I would probably keep the photo, but not the frame.
Okay, then we're going to deal with
We
it.
have something here.
So,
Oh my gosh.
Jumped right out at us.
junk.
Really?
Yeah.
That looks like a lion's. Maybe you can take it to the lions. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, this was signed by all of the Lions drag racing people,
Keep that.
so we'll keep that.
Yes.
Okay.
Used to have this car.
Miscellaneous programs and whatever, I don't need anymore.
This is my opinion on the frames. I feel like we have a lot of frames at this point downstairs,
Yeah.
and then these. So I don't know if you want
We
to
got a lot more
keep-
up there.
Let's look and
Keep
see what
or-
this, what is this.
and decide later because I don't know.
These are going to go.
They're going.
We don't need these.
Something's in there.
You might notice the ouchie on the,
A rental car?
it's a courtesy car, it's not even a rental car. Well, this is my high school graduation photo.
Wow. This is how they used to do it.
Back in the day.
You get everybody up there all at once. Okay.
They thought this was funny enough to make a giant blow up of it.
Yeah, this
to
is when-
remind me that I
Smashed his car.
You crashed a courtesy car. Okay.
More empty frames.
these are brand new. That would they need.
I'll take these new ones to my art class.
Can you play a little for us?
No.
Why?
No.
Why don't we just put the stuff back he wants to keep back up here?
I didn't know I even had one of those anymore.
Wow, look at that. This was, here, hold it up.
Firebird.
Hold it up, hold it up. Yep. This was Carl when he used to race dragsters. That's a flame burnout, fire burnout.
We have one shelf done. So this lamp here, this is my suggestion on it, unless you really love it. It seemed like a pain in the booty to take it apart, and I don't know how we're gonna ever get that together.
Yeah, we got this
I probably
in
don't need to take it out then, because this is all music as well.
It's all music.
We
So
got
put
this
that one back.
hat in Sweden, Lapland.
I'm speeding this section up because a lot of these items were somewhat repetitive, just photos and memorabilia from my dad's past. So we were sorting through all that, and then the items that he decided to keep, we were putting back up on the shelves just to get out of the way because their home is currently staged and people are coming to view it for a possible sale.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see who somebody wants it. Somebody might
Maybe a
want it.
museum.
Yeah.
There are racing museums. I'm not trying to be mean or joking. There's actual racing museums that would want that.
Yeah.
Have you already gone through that?
Yeah, these are my photos.
You already know those.
Yeah.
What about these? You've already been through that? Here it comes. Okay, is that going to hold us?
Yep.
When you went to the Coast Guard, it's because you had to back then.
I had to either be drafted into the Army and go to Vietnam, more than likely, join the Navy, the Marine Corps, or the Air Force for 3 years, or the Coast Guard for 4 years. And because of my experiences with the Coast Guard when I was working as a deckhand on sport fishing boats as a teenager, I chose the Coast Guard, and I enlisted for 4 years, and because of Vietnam, they extended me by an extra year, so I spent 5 years on active duty in the Coast Guard. So yes, you either got a college deferment,
Okay.
or you moved to Canada, or Colombia, or...
Carl was a yell leader.
There's a whole box of stuff that my mom is saying she's going to go through.
And I have been going through. I've been doing really good going through.
Yes, but we need to go through. He's saying to let it go.
Okay.
You're saying to keep it. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. Help me.
What?
Speaking of cute, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Ay,
Do
ay,
you
ay.
guys remember glamour shots where you go to a place and they would put all the makeup on you? Look at that. That's
Oh
me
my
and
God.
Shannon. Shannon was very young, but they made her look like an older woman.
Yes,
that hair.
it made me look extremely
Anyways.
old. As we are decluttering today, it's funny how often that decluttering can actually help you make space in your life as well as your home. And as a lot of you know, I make a full-time living from home. And over the years, I've learned there are so many creative ways to build an income around things you already love doing. If you're someone who loves planning trips and helping friends find the best hotels out there and experiences, Fora might be for you. Fora is a modern travel agency built for people who love to plan travel and help others travel well. Their tech platform, training, and community give you everything you need to turn a passion for travel planning into a flexible, meaningful stream of income. As a Fora advisor, your subscription gives you access to best-in-class training, powerful booking tech, and a vibrant global community of experts and fellow advisors who share real insider knowledge to help you launch and grow your travel business with confidence. Every hotel, cruise, or activity you book earns you commission. Getting started can be as easy as booking trips for people you already know, like friends and family. Become a Fora advisor today at foratravel.com/Shannon Torrens. That's FORA travel.com/Shannon Torrens, and make sure to tell them we sent you. foratravel.com/Shannon Torrens. And a big thank you to Fora for sponsoring this video.
Should I take
Probably
that in?
all of this could fit in here.
Consolidate.
This is a smaller bin.
Yeah, probably.
Now I see a lot of envelopes. You use all those?
All of them. Yes.
We just did my envelopes in my
but I
office.
think Dad probably uses them more often than you.
I do. I use them.
do.
She
What
uses
is your
hers too.
flashlight?
Yeah, you just got this one.
I know.
And look, flashlights are us.
Wow, you know,
These are the best flashlights
this is
ever.
what we do. We have, well, when we go camping, we're gonna come here and get flashlights from Carl
If there's an emergency, all of the flashlights are in this closet. So you're going to be walking around,
in the dark.
crashing and everything, looking for the flashlight.
Why does these go over my glasses?
Hey now. Okay, here's 3. All of this is going. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bins. We've just brought all the stuff down into the garage from my dad's office. The things that we're going to throw out that are the actual trash.
Right.
And we have a bin of collectible things that you think you might want to donate places or sell or take to the thrift store.
Yeah, I could take this to the thrift store. Okay,
So I would suggest right now, pull all the trash out, put it into a trash bag,
yes.
and immediately throw that away.
Yeah.
Then the stuff that you think should go to the thrift store, I would pull that out, put it into a box,
Mm-hmm.
and at least take that to your car for
Okay.
immediate thrift store.
All right.
And then you will have the bin of things to go through because they
yes.
might be for sale
Right.
or
And
might
I'm-
be for something.
And when I go through them, I'm going to do it quickly. Things that I know are obviously collectibles. I have I know a guy that does all kinds of racing collectibles.
Yes.
So
and it's not to sell to make money.
no,
it's to
I'll just-
donate.
So history doesn't get lost. I'll just pack it up and send it
Yeah.
to him, and then he can throw it away or keep it, whatever.
And the pictures of Dad from high school and stuff, are you going to maybe, I know in the past you've tried to send yearbooks and things to people.
no, I just throw. He doesn't want them. I'm going to throw them away. I threw all my yearbooks away. I don't care about his.
Okay.
But it was fun. I'm nice like that.
I think that's a really good plan.
Yes,
And you agree with that?
I agree.
You think
Yes,
that's good. Okay.
I want it to be quick.
Now we are back working on the second half of the closet. We're going to dig in and see what we can get rid of.
Yes, hopefully a lot.
This is a sport coat
Oh,
that must have shrunk or something
Oh my
because
gosh.
it just
Too tight.
wasn't.
that's a shrinking sport
The
coat.
shrinking clothes.
I remember one time when he wanted a sport coat because it didn't fit because something shrunk or something. And I said, go to the Goodwill and find a sport coat. And you found one for like $20 for a one-night thing. Remember that? Is that this
of
one?
them, and there was another one that you just took out of
2 of them.
Brown and
It
blue.
cost me more to have them dry cleaned after I bought them than I paid for them. This is a blazer I tried on the other day and it fits. This is my suit. The last one at Lions drag strip. But when they made the jacket, they made it too big then, and it's even too big now.
Can you give it to the Lions jacket?
It's got my name on it, so I think what I'll do is I'll donate this.
Most of these jackets were given to my dad through different racing organizations or clubs that he was involved with. And at this point, he's decided he doesn't need them anymore, but has kept them all these years because they were more of a sentimental item.
Just a little bit too small.
I wonder if I could wear it camping.
Why would you need a jacket camping in the middle of summer?
Because it got really cold last time, remember?
I know, but
I froze my, what
It's a small, no. Oh my gosh, this is a
how many jackets do you have?
men's medium. It's too large. They make men's arms longer.
way too big.
Okay, here we go. Let's get rid of it.
The system is
Super
everything
heavy.
to the left. We're keeping the middle. We're going to donate to a museum.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
No.
This is when Carl used to be Inspector Clouseau.
Inspector Gadget.
Inspector Gadget.
It definitely looks like Inspector Gadget.
Yeah.
All right, so what's the deal with this? No?
That's my fire suit jacket for
Oh, yeah.
Cackle Fest.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow.
This
Okay.
is a lot.
Let's set all that out
We're
here.
gonna, yeah, just lay it down.
Lay it down out in the hallway.
So,
Crash helmet.
keeping.
I don't plan on going 200 miles an hour again.
You're not gonna race anymore?
No. This is all my vaudeville racing stuff, including the fire suit, underwear, and I'm not going to do that anymore, so that's
So
all.
we'll
Now we are powering through all of these pictures that we had previously taken off the wall in the office before and after video, which I will link down below. And he had saved these ones. Now he is giving them all a second thought, deciding whether he will keep them. Most of them are going, only about 3 or 4 he decided to keep and take to the new house. So he's making massive progress.
That's it.
Yeah, okay, so in the first half of the closet, we went through and
got rid of
one, and then you said you can't find your other one.
That's the good one.
This is the one he kept.
Okay, so keep.
It's been around the world about
Keeping it.
100 times.
Yuck.
I have no idea what that is.
Trash.
It's a book magazine holder. Ooh, the kids will like that.
No, we have 3 guitars. There's no way. There's no way in heck I'm taking another guitar.
Yeah, but they would like
No,
that.
we have 2 acoustic guitars, a kid one and an adult one, and we have 2 electric guitars. A kid one and an adult one, and no one even plays the guitar.
Grant does.
I don't know. You got 5 of you.
You could have a band, the
You
guitar
know.
band.
We could be what
The
is that?
Torrens guitar bands.
The Von Trapp family.
There you go.
So
I have to say, that's the easy part. You and I dealing with all this stuff is the hard part. Either selling, which I don't think we will be, but taking it to the right places and getting them to the people, that's the tough part.
showing the latest fashion in vintage jackets.
All this is going to the thrift store. Here we go.
Going. As you just mentioned, the hard part begins when everything comes out. You've made the decisions, and then you have to deal with dropping it off or selling it.
Yeah.
So what do you
Filling your car, well, I'll put it on the back of my car, the stuff that's going to the thrift store. I'll take it tomorrow because tonight I want to go to those frames and pull the pictures that we want to save out and put them in a folder and get rid of all the frames.
So all of that will happen
Yes.
in the next few days.
Yes. And the good thing is I can take the frames to my art class because everybody loves free frames.
Yes, and anything that you don't think they want, then you can just take
Then
it
I'll
to
take it right to the thrift
secondhand
store.
store.
Yeah.
And then the other thing is you've earmarked those 2 jackets, or maybe 3, that are going to be donated to a museum.
Yes.
So that'll be something later
Yes.
that you drop off.
I'm married to a historic symbol.
Thank you so much for joining us on this decluttering video and journey with my parents, downsizing and possibly moving to a smaller home. If you're new here, you can hit the subscribe button to join the channel. And thank you so much for watching today. And also thank you to Fora for sponsoring today's video. There's more about them in the description box below, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.